Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharon here, and today I'm coming up with another new video on how I achieved these looks, how I did this makeup just in 10 minutes, guys.
Alright. Okay.
Hope you enjoy watching my video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let's get into it. First, as you know, guys, I use the cocoa butter cream as my moisturizer and primer. So we're just going to put it on my face.
Alright. Okay. Alright. You'll be alright.
So I'm going to the next step, and it's about applying my foundation. I always end up buying foundations that doesn't match my skin tone. So guys, I have 3 foundations which I usually mix in order to get my best color. And this one is the Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade Caramel. This foundation is slightly darker than my shade. And I also have the Fenty Beauty in the shade number 330, and it's way lighter than my skin color. And I have here the Kiss Beauty foundation. It's called the 24K Gold foundation. So I have to mix all these 3 shades in order to get the color of my skin. And before that, I'm going with this Dimacol foundation just to cover up the dark scars on my face. So I'm done covering up my black scars, and I will now go on with my foundations and mix all of this in order to get my shade. So I'll just get 1 pump of this and a pump of this Revlon, and also 1 pump. Yes, so that is it, guys. I do this and I mix it in order to get my shade, as you can see. So I'll just apply it on my face. So this is my shade, guys. This is now my shade.
You'll be alright.
gonna go on with my Fenty Beauty and use it as a concealer. The Fenty Beauty foundation dries up too fast, so you have to be fast on blending before it dries up and leaves your face on a mess. I'm using it as a highlighter.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Da, 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 da.
So after applying my concealer, I'll go in with the Sacha powder.
You'll be alright.
Then I'll go in with my brush. Just brush off the excess powder. So guys, for the contour, I'm going to use this. This is called the Max Beauty Blusher. So I'm going to use this dark brown. Just use it to contour my face. I'm going to highlight with this shade, this one here, on my cheek. Then I'll go in with my flormar. up to the end, and let's meet on my next videos. Thank you so much guys, and thank you for your support. I love you all. Let's meet on my next video. Bye bye.